Alright folks, hello, Mattio here, unboxing. Let's see what we got. Broke my right arm on Friday of last week, so a little slow moving, sorry. Alrighty, Benchmade. What do we got here? Oh, the Freek, the good old Super Freek, finally came in. We banter to assist. Alright. Okay. Good old Axis lock decal. I think I've got 30 of these. Really? Okay. It is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Initial impression. Looks great with the red liner and the spacers in there. M4 steel. Oh. Does not yet have a Axis lock fall shut, but I'm guessing that will come with time. Let's see if I can get a thumb stud. Oh. There we go. Needs to be warmed up, oiled, all that good stuff. But initial impressions, great quality knife. It's got great texturing on the G10 scales. So right or left hand carry clip positions. Let's try the fall shut again. Well, does not fall shut. A little wrist flick, all you need. Alright folks, keep an eye out on the fidget factor. Have this updated sometime soon. Have a good one, guys.